Class, in continuation of chapter Microorganism Friend Info. Today I am going to explain you friendly microorganism. Microorganisms plays an important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some others are harmful and causes diseases. Today I am going to explain you friendly microorganism. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. They are used in preparation of curd, bread and cake. Curd contains several microorganisms. The bacterium Lactobacillus, that is bacteria. What is that? Bacteria. Bacteria Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in milk and convert into its curd. Bacteria are also involved in making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria and yeast. Yeast is also used. Yeast are useful for fermentation of rice, idlis and dosa batter. Bacteria, remember, bacteria and yeast are used for making curd, bread and fermentation of rice, idlis and dosa batter. Then afterwards, that is commercial use of microorganism. Commercial use means microorganisms are used for large-scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Acetic acid is vinegar. What is that? Production of alcohol and wine. Here also yeast. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice. Now, medicinal use. Medicinal use of microorganism. Whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotics, tablets, capsules, or injection. The source of the medicine is microorganism. These medicines kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. Such medicines are known as antibiotics. And they are also produced from bacteria and fungus. What are they? Bacteria and fungus. For example, tetracycline, spectromycin. These are some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungus and bacteria. Or we can also say that when a disease carrying microbes enter our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. If dead or weakened microbes are introduced into the healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. Antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes forever. Now, increasing soil fertility. Increasing soil fertility. What is that? Some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. And these microbes are called biological nitrogen fixer. So some bacteria, they are able to fix nitrogen from atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. It means that increasing soil fertility, bacteria. bacteria are used to increase soil fertility. Now, that is cleaning the environment. Cleaning the environment. Cleaning the environment means it helps the environment. How? The most significant role played by microorganisms like bacteria and fungus. Again, here also bacteria and fungus. Bacteria and fungus is the decomposition of organic remains and waste material on the earth. In the process, they help in maintaining a balance in nature. Bacteria and fungus, they decompose dead and decaying matter and converts back to the nutrients. In this way, they clean the environment and that nutrients which is good for the growth of plants. Thank you.